Hi guys, welcome back. Today I have another video of how we can make cucumber juice. So stay tuned. So we're going to do it together. Now we're going to start by washing our fruit, and after we finish washing it, we're going to peel the skin off. On step three, now we're going to cut it into small pieces. So just follow the videos of how I cut it. Now add the fruit into our blender. Now we're going to add 2 cups of water, and after that let it blend for 1 or 2 minutes. Now pour it into a bowl and add your sugar, but it would be better if you substitute the sugar for syrup or honey. So I didn't have none of that. I only have sugar. If you have sugar, it's okay. You can use sugar, but it's better if you use honey instead of sugar. After adding the sugar, now give it a quick mix, and now we're going to cut two one line, and if you want you can add more. So now it's time to squeeze our lime, and after we squeeze it, mix it and give it a quick mix, and now we're going to pour our juice into cups of glass. And listen, if you make that juice, you will never buy soda or other juice in the market. You make your own natural juice. And listen, this juice, the cucumber juice tastes amazing. If you did it, leave a comment in the leave a comment below to just tell me how it tastes like. I know how it tastes like. It tastes like lemon. Just watch the video. At the end of the video, my brother will say how it tastes like. It tastes like melon juice. Melon, yeah, melon juice. So stay tuned, and my brother will tell you how it is like. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And thank you to my new subscribers, and I see you. I think I have a new subscriber. I forgot her name, but in the next video I will tell her, like I will mention her name. But thank you so much, and still continue to show the love. I know the love is real, especially for the one who always watch my video. You know your name. I have Cledenshi, I have my families, I have Raf, and other people that I don't know your name, but still continue watching the video. Bye guys, thank you. And then taste it.
Oh! Wow, it tastes good. It tastes like melon.
Watermelon.
Yes, like watermelon. That's what it is. Fantastic.
Thank you.